This is the real Yaad life. The word Yaad is a term used by Jamaicans living in or outside of Jamaica. This means home. Regardless of where you are in the world, one will still feel a sense of deep connection with the island once they mention the word Yaad. I'm Mick, and this is Yaad Life's Good. I travel around the island to eat good food and to learn more in depth about my people and our culture. In this video, we'll travel to Thornton, St. Elizabeth, where we will meet with a farmer known as Tuff. Tuff has been planting since he was a child, and although he works for others on the side, farming is still his first pick. He'll share with us some of his planting techniques. We'll learn how he treats others that comes around him.
If I give you a bunch of planting, I don't remember say me give you, because I have more.
True.
I come, so I don't have to remember when I have.
And enjoy his positive energy, vibration, and words of wisdom. Also, we'll be getting a dose of goat farming nearby in the area with Peter. All this and more starts now.
What I said there? Your boss see?
I eat a fine that though.
Boss is some your boss is some. Do you know where I come?
After the man, you don't go tough. There, man. I eat a fine. In a fine farm, yeah.
You have to taste it.
Yes, we have to taste it. Respect, man. How you say, man? Give a thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
As you reach, man. Blessings, man. God. See it there? Yeah, man. As you reach, Uncle welcome you, man, with peace and love every time, man. Uncle welcome you with fine, man.
You want to throw sugar night, man? I'm going to brush my teeth.
And this I want to not see it as how you would have think.
What?
Yo.
And I want to not ripe enough.
You turn?
You know, ripe, it just turn.
You just turn?
A
sugar this.
I tell you, boy.
After them pineapples, them, every man eat them.
Cheese and peace.
Full of juice.
I fridge it there, man?
You know, see, I don't know.
No, sir.
I don't know this man.
It cool, sweet. Come on, find a beer whole heap, man. Find a beer whole heap. Look one pine, man.
If you sit when you spray the bed one, you can red up there and leaf.
Bro.
You know, so you get to find out enough to use it. So me one thing now when you just use spray color look. Then champion.
Oh.
And 2020, I think they will get them now.
Okay.
See, when you spray them blue and chunky and fat. So me just realize now I put up on it. You know?
God, man.
You can just deal with this up here. I want nobody to cannot see me, you know, I work on.
You say I work one on the over there. Oh, it's a young batch over the side there.
No, a pot like this, but because I'm not the right way.
Bush right.
In a bush, and make sure you what you want to clean up, you know. Because they want a little bit of clean up, but I feel like over here, a big field over there now.
Oh, God. Come pine, man.
You don't find it. If you come in next year, I go to find some here, carry bush straight out in the young. And next year, I go to city.
Yes, by next year, By next year the place will ram up.
Next year, may I want a road.
next
Next year.
Oh God.
So Toby I come back when them then get fit.
Oh God, man.
Toby.
But I love how you say, man, I love to pass it. So hold on, them here, looking at them here now, Uncle Tough. How old them be? As the size them
Year.
we're looking at now.
They are just like
Since them be.
about a month old.
Eh? Them grow fast?
Yeah man, they grow fast.
Eh?
Yeah man, they grow fast. By April, May, they are ready. By May, they are ready. By May, me are reap pine. Not all of them, you know, but by May, me are reap.
So in space of 2 months, them size are
Yeah.
can oh
Yeah.
for real?
Yeah man.
It's a joy, man. Manners and respect, man. My first time I actually there on a pine farm and I appreciate love you welcome.
Yeah man.
I appreciate love you welcome.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to pass through to see what going on.
Yeah man.
I love this, man.
Yeah man, I'm glad to see you guys.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Sir P.
Yeah.
General Father P, man.
Big up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, I should have wear tall pants, that's true. But I take the time and go through. I take a little time and go through.
I go to a tall pants me from the number that manager.
Yeah, up in the furrow them wider, you know.
Oh, true.
That we can go through with the worker now and
Yeah, clean up.
clean up, you know.
True.
So you're satisfied with how you see it, sir?
Oh, God, man.
Are you did want to see
Nah,
a
man.
bigger farm?
Nah, man. Now we have someone look pan pine, man. Look pan pine, man. And then just yes alone. The whole of back over there, so. And the whole of back up there, so. Eh? Oh, God, man. The variety of pines. The pine where you plant.
Well, the type of pine that me plant, a black pine, sugar pine.
Black pine.
Pine, sugar pine, and bullhead.
And bullhead.
Yes. Them they are the market pine.
Oh.
Right? Them they are the market pine.
So them they will normally see mostly on the street.
Yes. Them
Okay.
they are the market pine because them they not so easy to spoil.
Okay, true.
Yes. The
Okay.
bullhead.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Them one you know, I black pine. Them one
Black.
them type of pine, black pine.
So, how long have you been planting pine, if you can remember, out of your head?
Well, we start like about 5 years ago. And I lie you.
Oh, 5 years ago? And plant the whole of them are something in a this
man.
how you look on 5 years ago? Since you stand?
Me just breed me sucker them myself. Me just breed me sucker them myself. So me reap, me plant. So me reap, me plant.
So, from the same pine?
On the same pine. Until me reach this amount.
Whoa!
And you see this amount you know,
Yeah.
this amount you know can plant double. When it start bear, it can plant double more.
So all you
Over
need
there,
is just
so.
a land space.
Yes.
You can't
So-
run out of
so-
pine.
Right. So this now about call it about me I look on about might be about 4 acres. And
Whoa.
Wasaka we plant another 4 acres. Wasaka reap on this pine. Because if you notice, all of them are one sucker. All of them are come sucker like what we plant up.
So
there.
all of them pine here, what we are seeing now,
Yeah. A sucker
Hold on.
them,
Oh, the little buds them they run it.
Yes,
Hold on,
yes,
let me see
yes.
what going. Okay.
all of them are sucker.
Okay.
All of them are sucker. So of them bear the tree, of them come develop the tree then.
So all of them little things what we see below the pine, them they can actually plant back.
Yes. No, see how them develop here. So when you broke out the
Okay,
pine,
okay,
see
okay,
them-
okay.
See how them develop.
Oh, so them are the sucker we push up right
yeah,
there.
we push up right there now.
Okay.
So at them we plant and turn them tree here.
And turn it in a whole of this, man.
Yes. So you see-
Jeez and peace.
So you see, this amount where you look on now can plant acres upon acres. Because I'm not going to know if you do it so much sucker.
True.
I'm not going to, right now the amount of sucker we throw down in here, you know, when me can plant, when me take out, you know, if you plant out that area out there so. And plant out that area so. Me have enough throw down in here ready for plant it.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah man, more time man come and me I give up to in a week and me give sucker. me give a sucker.
True, true.
Yeah.
God bless, man.
Because
God
the
bless.
man now come in, come buy sucker.
True.
And deal with it like how me deal with it. But for me, me just have farming inside of me and me just decide, say, me I deal with it.
True,
You know?
true.
Because if you notice, all of this, so I am, me just a take out of this. So. Me all I go dig go and vine give you go cook.
Oh,
When I
wow.
go up.
Respect, man.
Yes.
Respect, man. Thank you so much, man.
And the whole of back, so I plant back. So.
Planting.
Yes, me can
Wow.
carry you go show you before you leave.
Yes, man. I appreciate love that, man.
You know.
Why pine, though?
Oh, well, you see, me start plant pine and me just feel say, well, then it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
You know, see, because, you know.
Is it easy to manage?
It's not really easy to manage, you know. But me just put my shoulder to the wheel
Yes.
and decide so me I go deal with it. Because
Yes.
more time when me go in I feel, sometimes my hand them cut up with pine
Oh,
maca.
God, man.
Or my foot them cut up with pine maca. And sometimes me have to take the machete and I create
crepe
pine
them off.
maca. Because sometimes me joke so.
Mm-hmm.
And the maca them fasten up in my hand.
Yeah,
And me
yeah.
just take the machete and just scrape them also. Just scrape them also. Right now, see, I want supposed to this here. See, I want this.
Oh, God, man.
And me just scrape them out. And my hand and me gone.
And there's no way around that. You feel like every pine farmer go through the same thing. The same maca joking and the cut up and the art.
Maybe. Because me have to have gloves.
Yeah.
Some,
Especially when you are reap.
Yeah, maybe some farmer more equipped more than me, you know. Because if you notice, me
true.
just a try a thing and me just a develop.
True.
You know, you have bigger farmer than me still.
Yeah, true.
You know, see,
true.
because me not go tell myself say me I biggest. You
Yeah,
know, see, me
for
just
real.
a try a thing still.
True.
You know, see.
But this a trying, yeah. This a trying, yeah. And a normal trying,
Well,
because this is amazing, you know.
Well, when me know me come and know my business, me just go and do a thing.
True.
You know,
True,
see,
true.
because how it is in this time, you have to just do your thing.
So
You
true.
know, see,
So
right?
true, for real.
You just do what you have to do. If you get through, you get through.
Get
And
through.
if you don't get through, also.
Oh, but yeah, but nothing trying, nothing done. That's what they say.
Yeah, nothing
Yes.
try, nothing done.
Yes.
You know, see,
Yes.
So, me just
True.
decide to plant pine like my mother.
Yes. And it work.
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 You know? So,
Right.
you have to just trust to luck with the seal.
And
hoping for the best.
and how has that been so far? Yeah. Pine sellers when you reap pine.
Yes, well, me have one and two buyer will come in and buy, because before coming down from Christmas, down after Christmas, me sell a few hundreds.
Wow.
You know?
Same place half a ground.
Yeah, man.
That is good. That is
and
great.
them drive come in right in a farm.
Right, yeah.
Just so come just pick up them goods.
Amazing,
and
man.
go. Because the road, you can see the road come right
Here.
farm. So
Yes, man.
we don't
Amazing, man.
We don't have a problem with really the market. Only because some of them and them, when they come, they would mind if them get your thing little or nothing.
Little or nothing.
You understand?
Yeah.
So,
After all these work, man, after all them maca joking.
So, me have to just decide, so right now, me want try to get the right sale for me thing.
True.
You understand?
True.
That me I try to get.
Make
right
who
now,
upset
the
that
right
make
sale
who
for me
upset
thing.
that work out the right and proper way.
Yeah, well,
Because an easy thing, man.
no, I don't
An
really
easy thing.
Because me I say, sometimes I feel like say no bother with it, you know. But me talk with father and a big man tell me, say, boy, just do your thing.
Do your thing.
You know, see.
True.
One more time and night time, me and him talk and him tell me, say, just
Do your
push
thing.
pan with that thing. And
If-
we will help you.
And when I can chat to Father God, you know.
Yes.
Oh God, man.
Me chat to him at night time and
Oh,
him tell
God,
me, say,
man.
just do what you have to do.
True.
Because you
Nothing
know,
beat that.
He say, me no want you go out, they go thief. And go, you put your name on radio and over upon,
Yes.
you know.
Yes.
And make your friend them and your family feel, say, well, then you have to do that.
True.
So him just tell me, say, just focus on your farm and focus on the pine.
And it work.
And me will help you.
True.
Me will help you for the market and me help you to make it come true. You
And
know, so
and
him
and
tell me that,
it a going good.
yes.
It and it can be it a go get better.
Yeah,
it a go get better.
because,
But at the moment it a going good.
yes, because my mind a tell me him a tell me fi continue focus on it until me dream come true.
Railway.
Yeah. So right now, me I plan to get the amount of gears, the gears them when me need to manage the
To
farm
manage
the
the
right
farm.
way.
Yeah, cause that's what
You know.
I'm glad you mentioned that, cause me that what me did want to ask you, what are some of the some of the challenges where you face in that? We know say maca as some of it, but differently from even the maca and all of that, we know insect, all of them little thing there. What are some of the challenges them way when it comes to pine farming?
Well,
What
right
are
I
some of
know, tell you the truth, if farming need a lot of like boots up like because them have chemical fi
yeah,
develop
fertilizer
them
and
up,
all them something there.
develop them up and
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't say insect, but I mean them have chemical where clean them up and
True.
develop them up and thing like that. But if you notice right now, my thing them not really go through that process thing. You
Yeah.
know really you would not process on my farm as
True.
how it
I just
is,
natural and
I just
mostly natural.
I just natural thing
True,
them
true.
me right now.
Natural ground.
Natural gun. Me no use no chemical. Me no use no boots to force them to ripe. Me no use no boost me no breed them. Me no use breeder. And me no force them to ripe.
So all of them are just
I
natural
just
thing.
natural thing.
So
You
the,
know.
and this
not
is
even
far way better than
yeah, because the boots are really no good for you, man.
yeah, at the end of the day.
But at the end of the day, people use it to make money.
Yeah, yeah,
For
yeah,
boots
yeah.
them thing for really make money. So
Yeah, true.
you don't know, but as me can refer to you now, say me no really I just natural thing
Natural
me
way.
I deal with. I just natural. My pine them just natural.
Yeah, the money might come with the booster and all of them something there,
Yeah,
but
money
the
come with the
natural way
booster, but
always healthier, always
yeah,
better.
yeah. A
Can't go wrong
healthier
with it.
way, you know.
Can't go wrong
My
with it.
man them we buy for me. My buyer them we really buy for me. Them beg me hard
Finna use them?
use it
Eh?
chemical on them. Like
Oh God.
them the type of chemical because
Yes.
some of them peel and sell and them a say and them eat for themselves. So
Yeah.
them a run from them type of chemical
Yeah.
they we spray upon them.
True,
You
true.
know, we force them to ripe,
Yeah.
you know.
True,
So
true.
them beg me hard for no use them. No use the force of to force them to ripe. The carbine. Because carbine no make them turn long
It
and
take a shot.
and
It
it
take a shot.
spoil.
Oh, okay,
And it
okay.
make
And
them spoil. And
oh,
then sour because you force them to ripe. So
you know
yeah,
get the natural
yeah,
sweetness there from the earth.
you know get the
Yeah, yeah.
natural sweetness
It's
there from the
basically
earth.
force ripe. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
force ripe. So
Okay.
them beg me hard no use it, so me not really use it,
Yeah.
you know.
True, true.
So I just natural farm I look on. Just
Natural farm we are look on right here, so.
yeah, just
Whoa.
natural farm, you know.
Oh my God. Amazing.
So
Amazing.
as how the
Uncle
habit you
Tough.
know, I
Yeah.
continue, me I continue. So
True.
out of that era this so now,
Mm.
I continue, me I continue.
All of them are sucker. All of them they are sucker from back in
Yes,
them party.
yeah.
See that?
Yeah, me just plant them
All
here.
of them are just pure suckers. The pine sweet in a man. Cheese and peas. The thing sweet till it crotch throat. Oh my God.
I throw my report since,
Can you report a lot?
yeah, I throw my report since Christmas.
Mm. Oh, since we here?
Since Christmas.
Oh, in a Christmas. Okay. So all of them are just pure young pine. I mark you. None of them are no buy from out of pocket. All of them are straight from out of the ground from other bigger pines. Just look at that, man.
Yeah, man.
Just look at that, man. Pure pine.
So I just continue, me I continue.
Yeah, man. True.
Continue to plant. I plant me a plant right now.
What the first thing you ever plant?
Like,
From you know yourself. Not into farming. All if you never in a farming in them time. But why first thing you remember out of head where you ever plant?
yam.
Yam?
Yeah.
And the first thing you ever plant?
Yes, yam.
What?
And corn.
Whoa. Whenever I expect the yam pack, I know a lot of people, you know, when them start out, and look maybe gungo. Cause me start out with gungo, you know, and me just start planting. But yam.
Me used to follow my woman them. And we in a maroon bush, me always work with them.
Oh, okay.
We are maroon.
Mm-hmm.
So, me used to follow him go bush.
Mm-hmm.
And me follow him go bush now. As me see him cut, the time me about 12 year old, like, you know.
Yeah.
As me see him cut him gong and talk work for him gong, me just go side of him, side way.
Yeah.
And use my machete and talk cut. A little place for myself. And me broke yam head, renter head. And make me little hill.
Yeah.
And plant.
Whoa.
And chop down some little tree. Chop down some little tree and chop off the head. And plant bean and corn.
And from then time there.
And from then time then me just.
Oh God.
From then time then now me just. Every time me follow him go a bush and then start work gun. Me start work for me little gun.
And you eat from the yam tree there.
And bigger, yes.
Oh God. It must feel
every
good,
year
man.
me start plant bigger and bigger.
Oh
Every year
God.
me start plant me gun bigger. Little bigger gun, little bigger gun. Every year me follow him and him a work for him gun. Me chop for me side and side for him and me a grow, me a plant bigger and bigger. Me a
God.
cut me gun little bigger and bigger. So
Amazing,
anyway
man.
me do, me left here and upon construction and go upon construction and anyway me go me have me farm me a see him.
For real.
Right now me a work a watch and me have this.
You have this. Okay. Oh, yes, for real. Because you mentioned say you only got there for a week.
Yes, because
Whoa.
by next week me gone. By next week me gonna stay another week and my boss say na call me if come up this day today. But me tell him say me a spend another week down here fix up, finish up what me have to do.
True.
In a farm and them thing because my farm come first.
Oh
Because
God.
if me a work with him and me and him catch up. Me have to come
You
back.
have to come back. Words them they just say no. For real,
yeah,
no.
yeah,
Them they are words.
Man can tell you something and
Yes.
you know like it and
True.
you just decide.
Anything can happen. And at this,
Yes.
you have to come back to.
Yeah, me
this.
I come back to this. Me I come back to this.
Amazing, man.
Yeah, me I come back to this.
I respect, man. Forgive the pine.
The
Give you a walk through the pine farm. I'm not telling a lie. It feels so amazing. First time in a pine farm, I'm tell you. Yeah, man.
First time.
Yeah, man. I'm first time in a pine farm.
Okay.
First time in a pine farm, man. Amazing, man. Look on pine, man.
Well, next year, if you come here next year, man, come and live, man. You know, all of your stuff.
Oh God,
I
man.
got in a house, you know.
All right.
Yeah, all of your stuff.
Over here, saw the yam. Oh.
Over here, so me take out the yam.
Oh, pear yam over here.
So me take out the yam now, me put in the pine.
Oh, hold on. Over here, so what we there now? Pine, yam it over here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So me the pine, so me take out the yam, me just go through.
Okay.
So me go plant the yam them now over down to the road. On the side of your park the car, over there so. And then now me just go through with the river pine and go right out.
True.
You understand? So me take out one, me just put in the other.
Whoa. Growing a use up.
Yes.
Growing a fi use up.
Yes.
What kind of yam you plant?
Yellow yam. Almost yellow yam and
Okay.
white and full.
White apple.
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, man. And all of them you are planting too? In the pine ground?
No.
Oh, you know the difference between
Them
planting and banana?
Well, them are banana. Them are
Okay.
all of the one are banana. But alright. Over here so now I planting.
The banana tree it have a different color than the planting? So you know the difference?
Well, them yes. Well, them banana yeah, actually have the same color like the plant still.
Mm.
You know, but them is banana.
Okay.
But over here so now, have the plant now other side.
Okay. Pear plant over here, sir.
Yes. Have the
Wow.
plant now you can see. The plant over that side. And so in the
Pear plantings.
yes,
Oh, wow.
over the side.
How long it take you to eat from one of them, from when I plant them? From sucker to
Well,
till ready for eat?
Well, call you say, yeah, 1 year. 1 year. The same year you plant them.
You can eat from it?
Yes, last year, at them time I plant them. And see them a bear, most of them a bear up.
Eh.
Yeah.
I know some things are longer than that.
No.
Eh.
So, over here, so now a corn and pumpkin and cucumber. I plant and planting.
Oh, cucumber over here. Look at corn and sitting.
Yes, so I
Wow.
don't plant the corn yet, but
I go and use up the whole of that space here.
yes, somebody will come help me plant up. plant up the corn. As you can see me,
Oh, them are sucker too, plant sucker too.
yes.
Oh,
All
okay.
of them, they are planting sucker. All of them, they are come up and cucumber.
Oh,
Cucumber.
cucumber this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cucumber, all of those.
Cucumber, the on the ground, yeah, cucumber and I stone all both.
Yeah,
Oh, God.
them,
At them run, not you?
yeah.
Cucumber them run.
Yeah. I just come up, them and come up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
You know, you just plant and
This look good.
cucumber.
This look so good, man.
Yes. So
This look good. The space are
by
nice.
the week, you know, me plant on your whole of way, so with corn and stuff.
Oh, you drop some corn seed.
Yes, I go drop some corn seed in my place. I see.
God, man. Amazing where one little corn seed can give you.
Yes.
One little corn seed.
Right.
It's just amazing what that can give you to, you know.
Sure. Next year when you come here, you all of them place you plant and walk like you so.
Pure planting.
Yes. Plant and walk like you.
Yeah, man.
You get me?
Yes, man.
Mm.
Yes.
So them a bust out power.
Oh, God, man. Oh, God, man.
When me do, you know, as me plant my thing, them so me fertilize them.
Same time.
So then jump out of the
Them
earth
jump out of the ground.
powerful.
True.
Yeah.
See a lot of cucumber, a lot of planting suckers up on the ground. Whole heap of them. Yeah, man. So, by next year, the whole of you start turning a plant to work. A cucumber, they all bought over there, man.
Yes, man.
All bought over there, man.
And right now, see me have some cucumber seed just so right, you know, where me can plant.
I see. Them this?
Yes.
I cucumber see this?
Yes, we not even plant the whole of them yet.
What you put one, what you do? Sow them first, you know? Or
No,
you
man,
throw
we
them in
just
the ground?
plant them in the ground.
So one seed you put in a
No, man,
ground?
like 3 or 4, like how them in the
Oh, cool. And it must bust.
Right.
Oh, so you
All
put like
five,
three.
all five
All
seed.
5. Okay.
Some you plant them and jump and we cut down some.
Yeah.
Insect we cut down some.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
True.
So you just plant that if they cut down 2,
Yeah.
you
More
still
there.
have 3 a come.
Yes.
You
Makes
understand?
sense.
Yes.
Makes sense. And you're not lose.
Well, no, you're not going to lose.
Nah, go lose.
So then cut, so then cut some go left.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, man. A whole heap. They are ground, they have to look good to see them.
Yeah, man, me just
Whole
plant.
heap.
As me tell you, say anything me I do, me just plant enough. If me lose, and if me gain.
True.
You know. So
You love planting.
yeah, me love plant.
Love farming.
Me love
Yes.
planting. Me love planting. Me did a try to go for the whole of you, so, but to chop down the whole of you, so, but by next year, me get rid of the whole of it.
Man, I know easy work them they still fi cut down them, man.
Yeah, but I pay tall tree like them there and there, so, you know. And me lick it down and put in my thing.
Okay.
I plant them, love them strong land, yeah.
I da go ask about me see all of the stone them and thing.
Yeah.
Them not affect the not even the cucumber.
No,
not
man,
plant
I
them.
want,
That them love?
I that them want, man. You see,
I mean that thing say soft
you see all
ground.
them a cucumber, you know. You
Yeah.
see by April. By April, them a run a beer, you know. Yeah, man.
Wait, next year April?
No, man.
Next 2 months?
Mm.
Oh yeah, say. What?
No, man, them a cucumber, yeah, when you see in the rock stone, man. I know what time them a beer.
For
How
real?
do me plant them, you know?
For real?
Me plant them, you know, man.
Whoa.
And then jump up so fast.
God. Amazing, man. Amazing what Father Earth can do for you, man.
Yeah, man. Me just tell myself, say me a plant. Me just
True.
a plant, like.
Just a
Me
plant.
just a plant.
True,
If me
true.
reap, me reap, you know.
True.
If me lose, but me just a plant. Me just make up my mind to plant.
Amazing, man.
Me help
Father,
people, you know. Me no mean, you know. Me give people something when me have, you know.
And that is one of the greatest things I
tell
can ever do in
myself,
a life,
have
you know.
and give. Me no know say you're hungry and me no give you something.
Oh, God, man.
You know, see, and you know, ask me for something and me no give you. So me just plant that. If
True.
me give you a bunch of planting, me no remember say me give you. Because me have more.
True.
I come. So me know if you remember upon when me have. I'm going to tell you, say, I'm going to tell a man, say, boy, me give John Brown that and me afraid panic. So if me give you 2 bunch of plant, me have 20 more.
No,
me
so
have
me have to
20
touch
more.
it. Me have to touch it for that. You know,
Yeah,
you can't lose in a life, you know. You
Me
see
have
giving.
20 more for reap.
Oh God, man.
You know, see, so me plant, that's
You
when me give.
can't.
Me plant, that's when me give. When me reap, me no regret.
True,
Because
true.
me have more.
Oh God, man.
So when me say 3 buns, you know, me no miss it.
Words.
Yeah, me no really miss it.
Words, man, Uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle tough, man.
Me no miss it.
Oh God, man. Boy, I
Sometimes
love the knowledge.
Sometimes the amount I am when me plant, you know, me no make a quarter of the money out of it. But
True,
me just love plant and me love give. My passion of the plant and still
true,
give. Me no make the amount of money out of my farm when me really want to make.
true.
But me satisfied.
Amazing,
Because God give me
man.
the power and the strength to do it, so me I do it.
Oh God, man.
You know.
Boy, I appreciate of that, man. I
Me
respect
do
for
it
you.
until me can't do it no more.
Respect for that, man. Father tough, man. Respect for that,
Yeah,
man. You
yeah.
can't lose. Me think my purpose in life I to give to. I love giving. I some stay, I love giving.
Yeah, but sometimes you're sorry for people and give and it don't work out.
In a workout.
You know,
Oh
because
God,
all
man.
the time people always say, sorry for my God
God,
dog
in
and
turn
turn
around
bite
bite
you.
you.
You know,
True.
because some people just want to tear you down.
True. Just want
I
to
know.
take.
Just want
Especially
take
when you give them the first time or the second
yeah,
time.
them want to live upon you.
Yeah,
And then
yeah,
now
true.
it's like say, you gone down the drain, meanwhile them up.
True.
So you have to know your boundaries.
So true.
Yeah, you have to know your boundaries.
While giving.
Yes.
I have to know your
So if
boundaries
you give
while
a man
giving.
2 something and you see him want to take 10, you know say well then you have to cut him off.
Boy.
You have to cut him off because
You know say.
he might go top of the boundary.
True.
You know?
Boy, I know say Father tough. Me that go ask you what advice you could have give a youth where watch this now or a younger youth. Or not even a younger youth. It could have be a big man same way. Everybody you'll never stop learning. But you see all of this way you just tell me a while ago, this is just pure great knowledge from a man like you. So that question there, what me that ask you, all of them here you just answer them just straight just like that. All of that that knowledge and power where you just mention and think the while ago. I tell you it's amazing, man, and I appreciate love the farm tour. And everything where you just tell me while ago, believe me.
Yeah,
Man. This a life.
Well, me not really have nothing to hide. Me just
True.
I tell you everything straight from my mind and my heart and everything. So
True. Love
that's
that,
how
man.
it works. You know?
Love
you have
that,
to just have a free-minded and a natural mind and do your thing, you know.
True.
And for rob and dishonest, you're just straight with Father God. Him just provide things for you.
God, man.
Because a lot of people
God.
don't want to see you come, you know. And they want to dig out your eye, but
God,
sometimes you have to just keep one away and from crowd and friends and just do your thing. And more time I one on God there, you know.
In our nature,
In the bush I one on God. Sometimes I feel say people and say, I want to make him work so. If he can't do better and all them way there. And I just decide say, oh, I not watch them.
True.
Because me in my bush and I come from my bush and I can't stop and buy anything when I want to buy. So I not watch them.
True.
You know?
True.
The day I go out, you know, and I stop at one shop. And one boy I tell me say him have 5 spray pan. And I go say to the boy say, you sell one, you sell none. The man say, me can't buy your spray pan. Me can't buy your spray pan.
So you can't buy it?
Me can't buy your spray pan. And what money me have in my pocket I come from bush can more and buy a new spray pan. And a second hand spray pan him say, me can't buy. You understand? And one money me have in my pocket can buy more than a brand new spray pan and a bush me I come from. And when me look on him foot, a barefoot in my walk, you know. Barefoot in my walk and he dirty like bus. And I come look on me and tell me say me can't buy spray pan. Me can't buy spray pan. Sometimes you see them feel say them better than you. That time them a frog.
Oh God, man. True, you know.
You know, see, that time them a frog, you know. But some people just feel say them better than you, you know.
True.
But you see, true, me know what is me. And me know the mind and the ambition when me have.
True.
Me just hold my corners.
True.
You know, see it?
Can never go wrong.
Yeah. Me just hold my corners and more time. Me know the pan road. I watch people pass pan road. And count them clothes with them a wear and watch. And me no have time for that.
True.
Anytime from my work and my farm. If you want to come talk to me, you come at my farm. And we can sit down and cook.
True.
And if you want
Oh,
drink,
God,
and
man.
if you want drink a jug and you can come.
Oh, God,
Because you
man.
come at my farm, you can't hungry.
Can't hungry.
You know, see?
Oh, God. And no negative
Nobody,
energy
no
in the farm, yeah.
No inna
Oh,
it.
God, man. Just pure love and
Just
blessings
and
in the bush.
naturality.
And naturality. Oh,
Yeah.
God, man. Word, man.
You see me, I say?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, that's
Blessings, man. Father tough,
You
man.
know the amount of people we eat from my farm, brother.
Oh, yes.
You know, see?
True.
We are moving when we can't hungry.
True.
You see me, I say?
True.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hungry.
man.
Because you see it, banana, a beer, plantain, a beer.
Banana plant. Can't hungry in it. What they right now with them?
Me a plant yam right away.
They in a plant the ground right now. Father Pia. Yeah, man. They in a ground, man. With Father tough. Believe me, man. Amazing on the ear of the man talk. I just pure naturality. Remember me tell her, just pure positive energy in the ground here. And it's amazing for they. I hope on appreciate of these kind of episodes for me I venture out in the bush. Oh my God. I love the restaurants and I love the street food, and we'll never stop eat. But some of the times we have to out here in the natural ground in the bush and just see how them money operate, because them money them farmer and them burn and normal to do all of these things. This is not easy. Understand? And we open and appreciate of these kind of episodes. Yard life out here in the ground. And may I tell you, amazing whole plant over it. Banana, pure things, pine, yam. Oh, Uncle Tough say I'm gonna give a yam again. Yes, man. After eating all of that, yam and saltfish. Yes, man.
It be like
Yam.
So this guy eat ya?
almost.
If you can do
So Chinese yam. Hold on, I saw them come out small.
Yeah, some bigger to
Oh, some okay.
Some bigger what? As canto. As canto.
Yeah, that's a car. I think of Irish.
Canto sign. Yeah, them be like Irish.
Be like Irish. Chinese yam.
I plan you go plant them out. That's
Yeah, I plant them out.
Yes, I go plant them and next year I will eat more and that I go be there.
St. Elizabeth is known for planting pines. Why? A lot of places in St. Elizabeth you can find pine farms.
Yeah,
Why?
Them didn't have ginger mill. Them didn't have ginger hill as the main area for pine.
Ginger Hill in a St. Elizabeth? Yeah?
Yes. Then
Oh, it was the main area for pine in Jamaica?
Yeah, well, for me, a youth coming up, me always say about ginger
Hill.
You know, see, ginger
Pineapple.
hill, enough is pine.
Enough is
come
pine.
from Jago in a town.
Okay.
And all now they have a lead.
Same
So,
way.
Yes. No.
Why
no.
St. Elizabeth?
No.
though? The climate.
Eh?
The climate.
Yeah, they have a lead because people just continue plant pine. You know, understand? Just continue plant pine. And enough is people plant pine there, so it's a pine era. So most of the people them will live there, so just pine them farm.
Okay.
So another era then near you find actually peace guy in that same Felicity a year.
What kind of fruit is it? Is it a water fruit? It love water?
What?
The pine.
No, you don't love water.
Okay. Come like melon.
Yeah, you don't love water.
You get it best. You get the best of it when it.
You love water, but when you like say water, but you know like water place.
Okay.
You
You
know,
get the
like
best of it
water
in the heat. The best of
No,
the
you don't
fruit.
like too much heat neither.
Oh,
It's
yeah?
just like cool place.
Oh, okay.
You
True.
find like cool place.
True.
Cool place. Cool place. You know.
True.
You like cool place. But you know like water cycle upon it. Like all down in the gully down there so. You know good for plant pine.
No good.
No, because upon the water cycle upon it hot, it kill it.
Okay.
Yes, if you want to cycle upon the heart, it kill it. And you have to know how to plant the sucker. If you plant the sucker and the dirt cover the hard part, it kill it.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you plant the pine, you have to know how to plant it. I can plant one and show you.
You say I plant one right now?
Yeah, I have plant one and show you.
Alright.
You know, if you plant it to Like you plant the pine, you know.
A lot of rowing out of going on.
Yeah, if you plant the pine, you know. You plant it, you plant it too deep.
You plant it up in the top there.
You plant it so. If you dirt catch in your so, if you plant and you dirt catch in your hard part, so you actually kill it.
Same with the water too.
No,
Too much water can't go down in this one either.
I just say you make the water run out.
Oh, okay.
You see. Water
So
make
just
it-
like that.
Yeah.
It
Water.
it good that's alright there, sir.
Yeah, man.
That I go start spring.
Yeah,
After.
right there, so.
Whoa, just like that.
Yeah. That's how we
Whoa.
plant them.
Whoa. Whoa.
It good right there, so. So we don't plant one in a row, we plant two.
Oh, two side and side.
Yeah.
Just like
So
that.
when you have 100 in a row go down, so you have 200.
Okay. Whoa. 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 Just like that.
Yeah.
Just like
So
that.
when you plant one row of pie with 100, you have 200.
200.
Yeah. So you
And we
can't
can
have
see it
them.
and we can see it for all of them. We can see it for all of the rows them.
Yeah, yeah.
Same way so you do all of them.
Yeah.
Double, side and
Yeah,
side,
yeah.
go straight.
So when you reap now, you can reap this side, go over this one.
And just
this
reap.
side, this side.
Yeah, man. Smart.
Yeah.
Smart work. Yeah, man.
Me just have this side, so me just have here, me put me.
Yeah.
And then one plant in this. Cause it's kind of harbor.
The rat, as we say.
Yeah.
I never think say the pine them harbor rat. I never know. Never know at all say the pine them harbor rat.
Take them out of them. Take out the cane out of the pine.
Yeah.
Out of the pine.
And put them on separate pot.
Yeah.
The cane are pretty though. This cane are pretty. Oh gosh, man. Wow. Look on this. Look on the color of this. Whoa.
You see them one there?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you put your teeth on them.
Yeah.
You know what's sweet?
Eh?
You know what's sweet?
Where's no sweet? Where's the by the time by the time put the
Soft.
by the time put the teeth on them? I eat that.
It's soft.
Oh God, man.
It's soft.
Gosh. Respect, man. Give thanks. Oh God. Oh God. Boy come like say pine juice run out pan them ya. No sir. No sir. And it's soft. And normally, part of top, normally the root are the sweeter part, no?
Yeah.
This are the extreme top, and this come like a sugar.
So them 10 man.
No.
Everything not really work out same time, but
True,
you have to have patience.
true.
Not too bear nothing to that.
Boy, it's a drive. You can see this out. I come from out of the ground, you know, man. Oh, God, man. Cheese and peas.
When you dig some yam carry out some of that. Be a 10 pound every piece weigh.
Whoa.
Be a 10 pound. Just weigh them by piece.
True.
And they broke to you know.
You broke down in there. Whoa. God, man. Look at this. Right from out of the ground. As fresh as it get. You not get no fresher than this. Whoa. You not get no fresher than this.
I think I see this here, Master.
What that, you have for?
Nice.
Pum pum have for?
Yeah, man.
Are you going to pork to Toby?
Yeah. Nice with it, nice with it.
What you say, boy?
Alright, stew pork?
What?
Nice with it, boy.
You don't want to cook your stew pork, have your good gravy for yam. That what you say, boy? You don't want to eat.
Oh, God,
Yeah.
man.
Pum pum yam, alright. It around like, almost like this. So yeah, something like this. Zin, but that's not pum pum yam.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
look like what a piece, you look. This.
More round.
Yeah, this look like pum pum yam.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see just cut off here, so youth,
Gosh, man.
dry, mild. What's one? You know what kind of yam this?
What that?
Yes, you know what kind of yam this?
No.
Yampy.
Yampy?
Yeah.
Well,
Yampy.
oh, the leaf. Ah, first man I see this.
It have fruit just like a Chinese yam.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I am PB like the Chinese.
Yeah.
Oh, first man I see this. I
Then
never
when you-
realized
when
that the
you-
leaf actually different from
Yeah.
them one day.
When you dig and you take out your ring, you ring it off, you know.
Oh, you ring it off?
Yeah, ring it. Yeah.
You know how the day again, I want brother give me one little seed and make it to the summer.
I never realized yeah, so
man,
the leaf actually different.
It go come right, man.
I don't know if you, I don't know if you do nothing. I catch me, I want to catch the breed.
Yeah, catch back your breed.
Yeah, because I'm maroon, you also have it.
You know how they get, brother. If you broke it, you see, man. If you broke it. If you broke it. I can't shout, no. Yeah.
Oh, God. Eh?
I wrote no finish code.
You have foot the body place there.
Yeah, man, you put the right way. Two last side, yeah.
Oh, you know, at the ground you watch?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you spot the dirt a jump.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
I think they use them to dig them, you know.
I have a special yam tick.
Yeah, man, you use the yellow yam, you know.
But I don't know where it is.
Yellow yam have foot, you know. So when you use the stick, you know, your budget, you limit yourself.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know, really, that's how I think, you know. That's all. You mash it, it's jockey,
Yeah.
and it take crepey.
Yeah. Still, bro. This is
But you see,
seafood there, over there.
You couldn't tap it from back here, because it's hollow.
Hello.
That food there.
Oh, try that a mile, Haba. Thank you, mother.
And it came out.
Yeah, man. Good old yellow.
Brain. I chip them out.
When to get off? You need a man somebody?
You never know that?
No.
Man, they're sick, man. They're sick, man, that now.
I don't know where that time.
Quality, boy.
Oh, gosh, man. Yes, man. Respect, man. Give her thanks, man, for that stuff.
Oh,
Oh,
nice, good,
respect.
You know.
Eh?
Rose.
Rose.
Yeah, turn and see what I want. Yes, man, that's a rose.
Is that this for Rose?
Yes,
I can't tell him about
rose.
Gosh, man.
I can't tell him about rose.
Wow, that tough, man. I appreciate love this, man. Respect, man. Give thanks.
You can't come and me not give you a eat, man.
God, man.
Sure.
God bless, man. God bless, man. Give thanks. Wow, look how this pretty, man. Jeez, I'm peace, man. Hey, sir.
But the toast got them on your toast vitamin.
Yeah. There's a vitamin. We get cane, we get yam. Oh, God, man. Yeah, them things is just amazing. Wish someone can just come out in the country and just come enjoy them kind of vibe here with me. It's amazing, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh. Why? Holy pie am this, me can't count, man. Too heavy. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Oh, gosh, man. Them cane are soft and them sweet. Watch it, man.
You got mad.
Yeah, I tell you. It's got me got market.
People are good people, man.
Yeah, man. Man, look fine, man.
Go soccer. Soccer, the man.
Whole heap of suckers.
Alright. You said my tell us when you beer. No soccer, the penny. Look, watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm just off of 1
6,
tree.
1. Alright.
Yeah,
Look how much
man.
you pound on one day. Look how much you pound on one day. Look how much you pound on one day. All of them come with soccer, you know. Every pint beer with soccer, you know. So when the beer, it come with variety, all for soccer.
True.
What are the royal beer, no, beer?
Yeah, man. Pure pine go straight down, man.
Yeah.
One girl, love them cane, you see, man.
Yeah, man.
Gosh, man, I'm a kid love, I know, man. Why I even know what you do for me, man. Jeez, and
tough.
peace.
And the black cane, them, me want, you know, man, and the black cane, them, you want, you say, oh my goodness. This cane is soft.
A knife, yeah, use and deal with this, ain't sir, man. Just to
But
show you
not
how
to say them
soft it
cane,
be.
Man, you
Let it
can
go.
hit them through the trash, you know.
Through the trash.
What you know? Submit them cane here.
Straight
Submit them. Watch me.
Whoa.
I'll show you so.
Yeah,
And
man,
you'll
you
give a
can-
piece.
You can hit them through the trash, man.
Them a cane when you have lime. When you have a cane with lime, do it like this and just rub the lime pan it. Lemonade.
You know what I mean? I plant it up. I set up one meal.
1 meal.
Set up one meal. Yeah,
Hold this.
To make, yes, yeah.
Respect, man.
You make cane juice.
Watch your man. In the trash itself.
Yes, yeah. Long belong, I set up all the coming one. Where you take it to concrete. You know them really. I'll make juice. Me I go buy one spray. No longer until they good be. I'll spray down one place over there. So one part over there, so plant it. We try with cane. And plant some cane over there. If people them want the cane.
man. Sweetie.
If people them want the cane. Manchester style is tough. Manchester style. When you eat piece of your yam, you want to choke you. You know, see, but you see, for me, yam them.
Gummy.
Yes.
Soft, nice.
Just soft and mice.
Moist.
And mice.
Yeah.
That's when you have them hot.
Yeah. Especially when they're hot.
Yeah, when
God.
when you're hot and not cold.
True.
It's just mice, man.
Yeah, man.
Give me yam them, I don't throw something them, you know, man, like Manchester, them people crazy over my yam them, you know.
Oh, gosh.
When you eat
And we get some in our bag, yeah. We are going to eat it.
When you eat some of my yam, you go say how they nice.
Oh, gosh, man. Respect again, Uncle.
Yeah,
Tough.
man.
So we get a bag, heavy. Yam in this cane, and this is amazing, man. I remember we never come here with nothing. So we have to give God thanks. Just look at that, man. Just look at that. Give God praises. True.
You think say you
Respect,
never
man.
You think say you never come and you know get one. If I'm peace of cane, we get.
Oh, gosh, man. Respect, man. Peace and love. Yeah, man, fly up your goat pen. That's the one, yeah. Yeah, man.
Alright, them 3 kid here. A few one here before. Them 3 over here. 3 you kid, you know. That one they look like she breed. That one there.
A fight. Everybody have their own room.
Yeah, man.
But I like how them a build though.
I'm trying to throw feeding, you know.
Yeah, man, I like
Not
how it
bush, you
build,
know.
man.
Alright, a
Feeding.
tree ram
Not
goat.
bush, feeding.
Yeah. Tree ram got this, you know. Sure.
Rami?
You.
If they easy though. Oh God.
I said him jump up on the man.
So you go on.
I mean, I said, I'm talking to him.
Yeah, you know your voice.
Two up there, so.
For that one you pick, you know? That one.
This is the one that's going to pick me too.
Oh.
You want everybody in the opinion.
Eh?
Come here. You want everybody in the opinion.
Eh?
And the coat look like it's too tight. Come. Alright, maybe you. Make sure you
Ah, a big boy this.
yeah, man, boss, man.
Big boy this.
Feeding.
You think of grass?
The one that's saying
Yeah, me check.
pound two as well.
Yeah, me check think of grass.
See you feeding them.
Oh, one drum load of feeding.
Feeding him, man.
Oh.
Feeding deer too. Feeding deer too.
Big boy.
I run them out, you know.
Eh.
Run them out. You see them flies.
Sir P, man. Eh? Eh.
You see him?
Watch him.
Yeah, man.
So him alone get free time out the door.
No, but in extreme, they put them now.
And now one come out, him alone I get trouble.
Yeah, man.
Out the door, yeah. Watch him.
I ram me broke down this, you know.
Broke it down?
Them there.
Nyam nang iban them. This I want to give them tie up the tie up the feeding upon them and them just eat them off.
Yeah.
Eat them off for a fight.
I come there, but my friend no fit like that, you know. You see my work there, I'm supposed to even work too much. And check, they even fully cover it.
Yeah.
But, you know, a good boy, so I have to help him, you know, see.
True.
Good boy, I say good boy, I mean a good boy.
True.
Alright, so let's go. I take one try with this one. I'll come back again, man. I'm just look at one tire because all eat one.
They eat this off in no time.
Eh?
They eat this off in no time.
Plantain. Because that's what you see. You want to go on with them. So you just see tire there. They up the panny.
And go up on it.
So you just see tire. I'm pushing my morning time, you know.
Eh.
It's just on the cut yesterday.
China tree.
Yeah.
China name.
Yeah. I want to go for it with blossom. A pink blossom.
I go there and love it. It's come like a chicken for them. So when I feed him face already, huh?
Well, we have to make more 3 more chip and 4 more chip. I will go up on the side there and it ram me them. You know, let them out again. Tap it out them blow coming to your car. Let them out them go this way, man. Go. They might the grass to grow. But like them whenever you cut, you have to tie up it. And then piece pan it, they don't want it.
And them people on it, them not want it again.
And just a man piece, you know.
Mm.
They don't want it again for them piece.
Mm.
Up on the other side, Parry.
Bossy eating them. Yeah, man, feed goat them. Whole heap of food for them. Yeah, man.
You know what time this done?
Eh?
Ramadan, most of them now.
Ramadan no come out?
No, man, no let them out. They get too much trouble.
Eh?
Go and go pound down and come out a pin and go.
Ah. Eh? Two more for let out.
Oh. Red. Yeah.
Yeah, man, them go to eat at one dinner table. Look on that. I experienced in that country life down in St. Elizabeth, yeah. So left from St. Mary to St. Elizabeth. More goat over there, sir.
What, you know look good, Parry?
Yeah, man, they look good, man.
Parry has you bored this, you know.
Mm.
Pretty boy.
Hey, pretty man. Pretty man.
Look at them shine, man. To get your feed, you know, sir.
Yeah, man. I eat, man.
Yeah, man. Sure, you find out, sir, you know. Yeah,
Yeah.
on them.